This 1000W folding electric bike is built for power, distance, and convenience, giving adults a fast and comfortable riding experience whether commuting, exploring beaches, or cruising through snow. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With its peak 1000W motor, this e-bike reaches speeds over 30 miles per hour and easily climbs steep hills up to 30 degrees, making it perfect for riders who want both speed and capability. The 48V20Ah removable lithium battery delivers up to 80 miles per charge, so you can ride longer without worrying about stopping frequently. Its portable foldable frame and 20-inch fat tires allow you to travel across sand, snow, and rough terrain with stability and ease. Designed with front and seat suspension, the ride stays smooth even on bumpy roads, while the dual-disc brakes give confident stopping power in both dry and wet conditions. The advanced LCD display keeps you informed with real-time speed, battery level, mileage, and pedal assist settings, supported by 3 riding modes and 5 PAS levels for personalized control. The carbon steel frame adds durability, and the foldable step-through design makes storage effortless, fitting easily in car trunks or small spaces. This e-bike arrives 90% pre-assembled and includes a battery with keys, charger, installation tools, fenders, and a rear rack. It also comes with 12 months service support for core components. If you're looking for a powerful, long-range, and portable electric bike for daily commuting or adventurous rides, this model delivers outstanding performance. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.